Development of fetus during 5th week. Now the embryo is half centimeter long and looks more like a tadpole and is also about the size of a sesame seed. Though you may not look pregnant just yet, the fetus is very small. The earliest pregnancy structures, including the fetal pole. Fetus in womb. The womb nourishes your early pregnancy as cells divide into 1 million more to develop major body organs. However, it is the genes that tell how your baby will look like. Like a blueprint, your baby's attributes are already programmed, which happens at the earliest stage of conception, specifically when sperm meets egg. Ultrasound. Week 5 is the earliest week that you might be able to hear your baby's heartbeat during a transvaginal ultrasound. Because it is still so tiny, a fetal Doppler device can pick up the heartbeat. Remember that week 5 is the earliest time that the heart starts beating, but it doesn't mean that it won't develop in the next week or two. If the fetal pole yet to be visualized, a repeat ultrasound is performed in 1 or 2 weeks. Stay tuned for next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more information about your baby development and to double your joy and happiness, install our pregnancy tracker application from the store. And also you can check the link in description.